What are the best uses and benefits of soapstone? Dear friends, if you're curious about soapstone's benefits while researching your kitchen or bathroom renovation project, look no further. What is soapstone? Soapstone, named for its soapy feel, comes from the mineral talc. Talc is the softest mineral on Earth, measuring a 1 on the Mohs hardness scale. The amount of talc in soapstone varies, which means the stone's overall hardness will also vary. Commercial soapstone slabs intended for practical use contain less talc, and their remaining composition includes harder minerals like chloride, magnesite, and amphibole. The benefits of soapstone. Soapstone offers 3 significant benefits: heat resistance, retention, acid resistance, and absorption resistance, non-porosity. These properties enable soapstone to be used as sinks, countertops, floors, hearths, and stoves. Let's take a closer look. 1. Heat resistance and retention. Magnesite, a central component of soapstone, can retain heat, making it an excellent choice for a hearth or fireplace. The stone can absorb, retain, and radiate warmth long after a fire has gone out, a desirable property in cold climates. 2. Acid resistance. Soapstone is a favored surface choice in laboratories, as its talc component is chemically inactive. This means soapstone tends to be unaffected by acids. This property, along with its heat resistance, translates well into the kitchen, where it is commonly used for countertops, islands, and kitchen sinks. Because soapstone is soft, it is not ideal as a cutting surface, but it can withstand a spill of acidic lemon juice or wine without damage. 3. Absorption resistance, non-porosity. Soapstone is very dense, which makes it highly resistant to staining. The talc it contains is hydrophobic, which means it actually repels water. The dense composition of small minerals that make up soapstone means it will not absorb liquids or harbor bacteria, both great properties to have on your side in the kitchen. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.